Hello and welcome to our field trip presentation. My name is Radu Mavrodin, and today I have the pleasure of presenting our group's field trip proposal. So without further ado, let's get started. So as a group, we decided to do a treetop trekking adventure at the Treetop Eco Adventure Park. This is for a grade 9 open phys ed class. In terms of curriculum connections, there are quite a few. Some of the more relevant ones include demonstrating behaviors and applying procedures which maximize student safety and that of others, and applying appropriate movement principles in order to refine skills in a variety of physical activities. So pre-learning, this would happen before we'd go on the field trip. Students would have participated in a variety of team building and challenge-based exercises throughout the semester, with an emphasis on the importance of this day prior to the trip. As a follow-up, we would ask students to complete a reflection and a self-assessment of the performance at the activity. In terms of cost, so our cost would have been about $20 a student. This is considering we take about 43 students. The total price would be about $1,200, and with bus included and tax, our total would have come up to about $1,285, which would come out to roughly about $29.89 or $30 per student. But considering that we would be taking the whole grade 9 phys ed class, we could use some of the school funding which is allocated for field trips, which would cut about $10 off student costs, coming out to about $20 per student, making it fairly affordable and easy for everyone to access. In terms of supervisions and qualifications, we'd have 2 teachers and 1 educational assistant support staff. Obviously, all course guides at the park are certified by TSSA, which is up to the very important OFIA standards. Bus would be also loaded comfortably to sit 46 passengers, that's 43 students, and the 3 teachers, 2 teachers and 1 EA coming along for the trip. Safety and inclusivity, so we wanted to include all able-bodied individuals. However, the facility is not, not the facility, however, the nature of the activity is not wheelchair accessible. Some of the main hazards include insects, falls, sun especially. Kids need to take great care of their skin. The establishment has helmets, ropes, clips to keep visitors safe. We also discussed bringing our own emergency kit just in case the Treetop Eco Adventure Park didn't have one, although I know they would, and a contingency plan. For example, after exiting the bus, we would discuss with the students where we should all meet in case of an emergency. This would be very important, as well as keeping cell phones available to us and making sure everybody knew how to contact us. Lastly, the parental permission forms. So it would be a day permission form. We would send waiver forms home, and as well with the permission forms. It's very important to communicate to the parents about the nature of this trip and to make sure that we have their permission. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.